yeah, it's that time of year, y'all. Testing it out today. What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video. As you guys can clearly see, it is most definitely snowing here in Virginia right now. We're expected to get anywhere from 3 to 6 inches. Sorry, the snow is like blowing in my face right now. Let me turn this way. But yeah, as you guys know, I definitely have a two-door Jeep Wrangler Sport. And of course, since it is a Wrangler and I have some nice mud and snow tires on here, I wanted to test them out. This is the first time that I've ever owned a truck, I would say. And I kind of want to see how it does. So my dad and I are just going to run up the street to grab a couple things, but we're going to see how the Jeep performs, and I'm going to take you guys along a ride with us. So this is a manual Jeep, so it's going to be interesting to see how I operate it, but I'm excited. Camaro is covered up in snow right now. I'm so sorry, Bruce, I don't have a garage yet, but don't worry, it's coming soon. So Jeep is cleaned off, so we're going to go ahead and hit these roads. Out of that window. So we're gonna test this out in two-wheel drive first, see how she does. Got a little bit of spin. There we go.
Alright, now put in neutral.
Alright, so neutral.
Alright, now do your one down there. When you put it forward drive high.
Yeah, so it should be.
Don't you have to press it down? Press down on it like that, then get it to go.
It said press down on it.
No. Straight down. There we go.
There we go.
Alright, what is that? I can't see. What is that?
That's probably high.
Forward drive high, okay. We see, we don't know. I think it's in low.
Okay, yeah, now it says forward drive.
What? Low or high?
It just says forward drive, and then it shows me my traction control is off. That should be low.
Okay, now try going first. Up here.
Grenade pulls.
Now you're in forward drive. That's too low. You gotta go high. That's for pulling something. All right, now go back to neutral.
That's why I said it pulled.
Yeah. What does that say?
That's forward drive. All right, that's high.
Okay.
All right, so that's what we want.
All right.
Sorry, y'all. We had this is our first time playing around with the four-wheel drive in this, so. Feels better.
So now we know low works and high works. Right now, shift like we normally do.
I mean, it's riding just fine.
Yeah.
I mean, I already noticed when we were turning that corner, it already started fishtailing. And I was going, what, 5 miles an hour?
Mm-hmm.
So. These roads aren't too bad. Oh, look, a Camaro out here. Hey, they gotta get around somewhere.
last night. I was snowing not too far right here. Gonna start turning. There's
Alright,
curb
so
right there, curb right here.
I'm
So
gonna put it in two-wheel drive. So we're gonna test some traction differences. Right now I'm in two-wheel drive, so we're gonna see how it handles with about, how many inches you think of snow on the ground? Well, about 2, 3? Maybe 2.
no, we're looking at 3.
Alright, let's see how it does.
Give it the gas, don't be scared.
So now I'm gonna try four-wheel drive. All right, four-wheel drive on. I'm kind of on an incline too.
Get it. All right, then get it. Now back to 4. So now you see the difference.
The Jeep just passed me, huh?
Yeah.
All right, back to 4.
All right, there you have it.
All right, guys. Well, as you can see, I had a ton of fun out here playing in the snow. Probably gonna head home in a little bit, but I think it handled pretty well. I'm really proud of it. And yeah, there's gonna be more snow days, I'm sure. This is only beginning of December, so I'll probably be back out in this. But this is the whole reason I wanted this Jeep, is because when we have inclement weather, I needed something more reliable than a Camaro SS and stuff like this. So really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.